We out here ripping in the house, bro. Yeah, just chilling in my house. Yo, what is up, gang? It's your boy Liz, aka MotoBroo. And today, we're on a little adventure. We're on the 150, as you can tell. And we're gonna have some fun. Shred, explore. Oh, here we are. Bro, I don't know why my rear brake is not like working. We going down some sketchy trails. I went down here a long time ago with the homie Jimmy, and there's like abandoned houses and weird stuff going on, and nothing's changed, as you can tell. There's a lot of bees. Oh, there is hella bees there. I do not want to get stung by a bee right now. We'll be back, bro. Trust me, we'll be back. We'll explore this. But let's keep on going, because I know there's some wild stuff back here, bro. Oh, bro, there used to be a whole bee farm here, bro. Looks like they removed it, bro. We can shred inside an abandoned house real quick, bro. JK, bro, the roof looks like it is literally about to collapse, bro. I'm gonna see if I can bring the dirt bike through the house. It probably sounds crazy in here echoing. We out here ripping in a house, bro. Kidding me? Little daily donut. Oh my god, that's gonna throw out so much stuff. Yeah, just chilling in my house. Damn, I just stalled her. See what I'm saying, bro? If you can... Ow! I'm out! Well, that back exit was not the move, because I got all those stickers on me. See if I can hit a little shred, claim the house real quick. Let's go. A little sketchy circle, but we'll take it. Let's go! Little wheelie. Alright, abandoned house. We're off to the next one. It's been real. Stay chill out there. Alright, we're on the road, boys. Woo! It feels good just to be shredding, getting off them trails for a second, getting on some road. Yes, sir. So we talking about 150, gang. Woo! Let's go. Alright, we're back on the trail. Woo! It gets sketcy because there's thorns on the side, bro. So every time like things like sticking out like that, I gotta dodge them. Here we are. Bro, there's... Yo, what? Is that an iguana? There's a lot of bees right there. I'm gonna try to go around the back. Bro, I swear I just seen an iguana. Fucking spider web. Oh, there's fucking tents back here? Hello? Hello? Some people just camping out here, vibing. I'll let y'all be. I'm gonna be exploring the house, just Just, you know, keep me safe. Alright, well, y'all be easy. I'm gonna, frick, thorns. Explore the cribbo real quick. Brings back memories, man. Oh, I see, that's where the bees are right now. Or are they inside? Whoa, 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 whoa. Fuck that. The bees are gonna attack me, bro. Last time, like a while back when I was here, I got freaking attacked by a bee and it hurt. Don't want, ow! Damn thorns. This is goddamn thorn village. It's pretty crazy. Pretty crazy spot to be tenting, but let y'all do your thing. Yeah, abandoned house too. It's a little bit of a fail. It's a little messed up anyways, but there's so many goddamn bees. They took that thing over. They 100% took that thing over. Let's shred a little bit. Bro, look at this. It's a literal power line right here, bro. Imagine your bro, this is so, if you're hauling down that trail coming this way, and bro, that would literally chop, bro, like, that's sketchy. I don't want to touch it, bro. I don't want to get electrocuted. I don't know about freaking, I put that there so hopefully people know, like, yo, there's, because I've heard stories of that happening to people where, like, they're going down a trail and there's like a wire or something across the trail, and then they get freaking, their head gets chopped off, bro. If I can avoid that, bro, especially me, bro, I was just ripping down them trails, and if there's something like this, bro, it's hard to see, like, it blends in so good. Bro, there's so many goddamn shotgun shells out here, bro. Let's see if I can get a little circle. Let's go! Got a little circle. Let's hit the trail, boy. It's crazy because, like, I'm not even worried about anyone taking the 150, because, like, if you could start that thing, you know what you're flipping doing it, and you can have the bike, bro. Because, like, bro, that bike is so hard to start, like, if you don't know how to start it. It's your boy MotoBroo. Just chilling at the trap house. Just bulling at the trap house, bro. It's crazy. Like, imagine, like, people who used to live here, bro, and now they come back to their house and look at that. Murder is the way of life. Well, the frickin', I'm loving the 150 right now, bro. This feels so good. Oh, it's a big pole. Well, you always gotta be on your toes, because there's some big potholes. And if you pull your wheelie in them, you ain't making it out. But I'm still surprised how everywhere I go, there's always freaking tents, bro. And it just surprised me, like, how many homeless people there actually are, like, everywhere. It's pretty sad. Sorry to end this video on a bad note like that, but stay motivated. I freaking love you. I got another video talking about the lot and some cop stuff. I'll be dropping after this. So stay motivated. I freaking love you. Until next time. Peace.